mga bros. Kasama ko si Phil, kumakain siya ng ramen. And may tatanong kami kay Dad. Yan. Phil, what will you ask Daddy?
You will survive.
Who did he choose to survive? The doctor asked him, di ba?
Yeah.
Because you were in the hospital with mommy.
Yeah.
What will you ask? You tell us Daddy. You ask Daddy, Daddy, what did you choose? Me or mommy? Okay? When you were in mommy's tummy, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go. Tara, let's go. Drink muna daw siyang water, mga bros. Yan na, mga bros.
Daddy,
What? Turn on the lights.
Do you
Ate, ay...
pick
Ate,
survive in the... Who do you pick to survive in the world?
In the world, ano? What?
Kanina siya, doctor.
As a doctor? Ano? Ano bang question nito, Ilay?
Kung, di ba, yung nasa tiyan siya ni mommy, yung muntik na sila dalawa na mamatay.
Yeah. When you were still in mommy's tummy?
You were both about to die.
Oo. So the doctor said, ano, I need to choose the baby or mommy.
The
Oh,
baby,
so
what's the baby?
What's your question? Who will I choose? You or mommy?
To survive.
To survive?
Yeah.
If I were to choose?
Yeah.
You know who he chose?
Mommy!
Aray ko.
Kasi I didn't know you that
He
time.
chose mommy to
Pero
live
okay
and
lang,
you
thank
know.
you. Kasi you're still you're alive na, pati si mommy, di ba?
Pero, he chose mommy.
But,
Oh no! Oh no!
I'm gonna suck my shoes.
Wag. Don't saksak yourself. I love you din. Siyempre, we love you din.
Or, honestly,
Oh, no.
We love you.
Oh no,
Are
Daddy
you sad ba? Are you sad?
hey, you didn't choose me.
Eh, it's hard for me, Phil. It's really hard. Uy. It's really hard. O sige, if you were to choose. O sige.
You choose me, I'll be bad. But
what
if you choose mommy, I'm not going to be bad.
Eh, paano yun? Listen. Oh, what if I choose you, then mommy will die. Oh. You will not know your mommy. You will not know Sarah,
We
diba?
didn't know you kasi that time.
Eh, but he chose you to die.
Hindi, I didn't choose you to die, ah.
Tingnan mo. I'm gonna fly in the air.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Pero itabuhag na.
I chose mommy!
Yeah.
Ha?
You chose mommy.
Eh, pero syempre, love ka din namin.
We did love
balik
a
mo
hard
ako.
time.
Yeah, it's really hard talaga. Kasi hindi ko alam kung sino pipiliin ko, ikaw or si mommy.
I'm just a baby.
Kaya nga, oh.
Nasa baby
O
na
sige,
eh.
ikaw.